Good afternoon po. My name is Raquel Ito. Bali, 2004 po ako graduate ng CLC. Bali, yung nag-invite sa akin, yung dating head ng dito sa, sila Brother Noel and Sister Noemi. And, ilang years na ba ako dito sa Japan? Bali, 19 years, magna 19 years na ako dito sa Japan. And, ayan ang aking anak, mag-18 years old na. Nung dating nag-talk ako dito na yung picture niya ngayon, maliit pa siya, ngayon malaki na, no? Third year high school na siya, and then next year, mag-college na siya. So, meron silang sinasabing juken dito, yung entrance examination, no? So, yun yung, ngayon, yun. So, so lahat po tayo, ang talk ko po is about God's love. So lahat po tayo ay may mahal, and we have experienced love from our parents, our brothers and sisters, and kapatid natin, also mga kasama natin dito sa community. And also, we give the same love dun po sa ating mga, sa ating magulang, sa ating mga anak, brothers and sisters, and also sa ating mga kaibigan, po. Sasabihin ko po isa about God's love. Paano po ba yung pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa atin, ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa atin is talagang endless, unconditional. And sabi nga po, love is not love if it's not shared. So, paano po ba pinakita ng ating Panginoon ang pagmamahal niya po sa atin, siguro, on the ways of love. Ito po is yung pagmamahal po nila is romantic kind of love. Pero I will talk about the kind of love that God gives us. So, before po, God's love creates. Before po, everything is dark here dito sa ating mundo, po. And then, brinake po ni God yung silence po yun, so, sabi niya, he lit the universe, so he did this to manifest his love for us, so he said, let there be light. So in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. So yun po, unang pag-manifest po ng love ni Lord sa atin, ni God. So he said, let there be light, and he separate yung earth, yung heaven sa earth, and then ito na po yung creation. So sa Genesis po, Genesis 1 to 31, we will find the story of creation. So day 1, and po day 1 to day 6, bali yung earth, space, atmosphere, land, sun, moon, mga creatures, and on on the sixth day, God created man and woman. So, He created Adam and Eve. So, He created God in the image of light and likeness of, He created man in the image and likeness of God. Bali po, God blessed them, saying to them, be fruitful, multiply, fill the earth and subdue it, be masters of the fish of the sea, the birds of heaven, and all the living creatures that move on earth. So, nung ginawa po ni Lord, ng God, ang everything, He said that it was good. But when He made the man and woman, Adam and Eve, He said it was very good. So talagang natuwa po siya nung ginawa po niya ang first man and woman, si Adam and Eve. And then, we were created in the image of and likeness of God, but man, dahil po tayo, meron po tayong God-given free will, ano po. Yun po yung binigay sa atin ng Panginoon, and then, kaya po may free will tayo, and then, nakakalungkot kasi nagkakasala po tayo, no? So, simula nung nagkasala yung tao, si Adam and Eve, ayan, ano po. So, sin entered into the sin, ano po. So, God punished Adam and Eve when they sinned. Pero po, kahit na po nagkasala sila, hindi pa rin po talagang pinunish sila ng Panginoon dahil po, He still extended them a gesture of grace, ano po. So, dinamitan sila, and then, promised that the offspring of the woman will crush the head of the serpent. So, and then another sin po na ginawa po ng tao is yung si Cain and Abel. Bali po, magkapatid po sila, and then si Abel po, ang kanya pong offering sa Panginoon is always at its best. Bali po, hindi po yung pag nag-offer po siya ng or fat po siya, no? Hindi po siya yung second choice, ano po. So nakita po ng Panginoon yun, ano, na ang offering niya is talagang at its best. Pero si Cain po, hindi po. Napansin ni Cain yun, and then dumating na doon yung jealousy. Ano siya dahil si Abel is pinabor ni God, and then so he planned on killing his brother. So yun na nga po, no? So he was angry and could not accept yung favor na binibigay ng Panginoon kay Abel. So he killed his brother, and so after killing him, and then nag-commit siya again ng another sin by lying. Sabi ni Lord, where is your brother? And then he said he couldn't find him. But then he lied to God na pinatay na po yung kapatid niya, no? So God punished him, and he said he will wander around, and then but still, kahit na po ginawa yun ni Cain sa kanyang kapatid, bali protektahan pa rin po siya ni Lord, he put a mark. Ito po yung mark na binigay ni Lord kay Cain, kasi po to protect him para hindi siya mapatay sa wilderness, So still God manifested His love and mercy by putting a mark on Cain to protect him from being killed on sight. So then there's another thing is the Noah's Ark. Everyone naman po alam ang story about the Noah's Ark, about Noah. Before po, so napansin ni Lord na grabe na rin yung bad things happening. So, sabi ni Lord, bakit gano'n ang nangyari sa kanyang creation? There's corruption of people, and then talagang yung mga tao nagpapatayan, and then He said that He will eradicate, and then He will spare yung mga mababait, righteous. So, si Noah together with his family na yun, sabi, in order niya na to build a big ark. And then, of course, mahal na Panginoon yung creation niya, yung mga so, bali, sabi niya, please gather them 2 by 2 in pairs, and then, together with yung family niya. And then, so, and then for 40 days, bali, nagkaroon ng big flood, and then, so after that, bali, so when God decided to eradicate evil on earth by sending a great flood, He instructed Noah to build an ark to save the righteous from death. So even when mankind continued to disobey and offend God, still God, so still God protected them, So ito po, pinakita ni Lord na kahit na po sinful ang mga tao, still He showed His love for the people, ano po, yung mga righteous, ano po. So, next po is the story of Abraham, ano po. Alam po natin yung Abraham was married to Sarah. Sarah ay pasanon, ano. So, matanda na po sila, and then wala po silang anak, and then so nung ginagawa ko po tong ano, no, so binasa ko about yung kay ano, no, Abraham, ano, bali before when he was still 70 years old, sabi ni Lord, nagpakita si Lord sa kanya na please, I want you to go to this place. And then malayo po yan, nasa Hagar po siya, punta siya sa Canaan, and then I want you to lead my people, ano. Tapos sabi niya ganun, he didn't know kasi meron din siyang inaalaga mga cattle, mga sheep. But then he obeyed God's instruction, ano, to go there. So ang layo, no, from Hagar to Canaan, ang layo, but still, ano, he was obedient, ano. And then pagdating doon, sabi niya ganun, wala nga siyang anak, ano. And then he said, like, God said, like, look at the stars, ano. Yan, mga stars na yon, time will come na kasing dami ng stars yun ang magiging anak mo, no. So, bali, after 90 years old yung asawa niya, no, si Sarah, bilines sila ng anak, ano, si Isaac. And then, of course, tuwang-tuwa sila, no? And then one day, nag-appear ulit si God sa kanya, and then saying na, please bring your